Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 16027 OEM puck system fifth wheel adapter. This adapter will fit select Chevy, GMC, and Ford trucks with the OEM fifth wheel puck system, effectively converting it into industry standard rails. To begin, insert a foot spacer through the bottom of one of the cross supports. Make sure to insert the shorter end of the spacer into the bottom of the cross support. Slide a locking T-bolt through the spacer with the thread pointing up. Place the handle over the threads of the T-bolt, aligning the rounded edge of the handle with the guide. Secure the handle in place with a flat washer and castle nut. Do not insert the cotter pin at this time. This will allow for adjustments that may be needed on the castle nut to ensure proper fit. Repeat this process for the other handle and the other cross support assembly. Prep the truck bed by removing any puck caps. Next, open the handles and mount the cross support assembly into the pucks of the truck. The orientation of the assembly will depend on the make of your truck. For Chevy or GMC models, face the handle towards the outside of the bed. Next, insert the cross support tube into place, aligning the third and fifth mounting holes with the support assembly. Secure the tube in place with the included carriage bolt and flange nuts. Do not tighten the hardware at this time. Repeat this process on the other support tube. With the legs secured, rotate the handles back into the closed position. Slight resistance should be felt as the handles are rotated closed. If the handles do not close with moderate pressure, you must adjust the castle nut on the T-bolt. Loosen the castle nut a quarter turn and close the handle again. When the handle is in the closed position, secure the castle nut in place with the cotter pin. Once the handles are all closed, secure them in place with the included linchpin. For Ford truck assembly, face the handles towards the center of the bed. When attaching the support tubes, insert the hardware into the first and third mounting holes, then complete the assembly similar to the Chevy GMC version. Once the assembly is locked into place, set the fifth wheel of your choice into the slots of the rail. With the fifth wheel in place, torque all of the hardware to the values listed in the supplied instruction sheet. Complete the install by attaching the head of the fifth wheel. This completes the installation of the CURT 16027 OEM puck system fifth wheel adapter. For more details on the usage and operation of your new fifth wheel adapter, refer to the included instructions and be sure to read and fully understand all of the instructions prior to use, as well as the instructions for your fifth wheel hitch. Thank you for watching this video. Now get ready to bring it.